Depending on what Lexus model you own, you probably know you can lock all its doors remotely by pressing the lock button on the electronic smart key. Unlock the driver's door by pressing the unlock button, and unlock the other doors by pressing unlock again within 3 seconds. But the Lexus electronic smart key is capable of doing much more. It can be customized to suit your individual preferences. For example, you can use the smart key to program your preferred settings for unlocking all doors when the driver door handle is touched. As the default setting, when the electronic key is in close proximity to the vehicle, gripping the driver's door handle will unlock the driver's door only. Gripping a passenger door handle equipped with a smart key sensor will unlock all the doors. That default setting can be changed so that gripping any door handle with a smart key sensor will unlock all the doors, if you wish. To make that change, when the engine is switched off, press and hold the lock button and the unlock button on the electronic key at the same time for about 7 seconds, or until the vehicle beeps 3 times as confirmation the change has been made. Repeating that procedure will change the setting back to its previous function. The electronic key can also be set to battery saving mode to minimize battery depletion if the key will not be used for a while. Simply press and hold the lock button and, at the same time, press the unlock button twice. The electronic key indicator will flash 4 times to confirm it has been turned off. While battery saving mode is set, the electronic key cannot receive radio signals and its functions cannot be used. Pressing any button on the electronic key will turn off battery saving mode and normal operation will return. Depending on the vehicle, the electronic key may also be programmed so that all the vehicle windows can be opened remotely by holding down the unlock button. This feature must be enabled by a Lexus dealership technician. Further details can be found in the customizable features section of your owner's manual, or inquire with your local Lexus dealer. Thank you for watching this Know Your Lexus video.